In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a photo or document to PDF using Adobe Acrobat online on your mobile phone. To get started, pick up your smartphone and open the Google Chrome app. Make sure you're using Chrome, since that will help the Adobe Web Tool load smoothly and give you the full mobile browser experience. Once Chrome is open, go directly to acrobat.adobe.com. You can type the website into the address bar at the top of your screen, then tap Enter or go on your keyboard to load the page. When the Adobe Acrobat site opens, give it a moment to fully load. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. Once you're on the site, look for the plus icon or the Create Action button. This is the option that lets you start a new task inside the Acrobat web app. Tap that button to open the available actions. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose Convert to PDF. This tells Adobe Acrobat that you want to take an existing file, like an image or document, and turn it into a PDF file that's easier to share, save, or view across different devices. If you're converting something important, it's a good idea to quickly double check that you selected the correct option before moving on. Next, your phone will prompt you to choose the file you want to convert. Select a photo or document directly from your device's storage library. This could be an image from your gallery, a scanned page, or a supported document file stored on your phone. Browse carefully and tap the file you want to use. If your file library takes a moment to open, that's completely normal. After you select the file, the Adobe Web app will begin processing it automatically. At this stage, all you need to do is wait while the upload and conversion finish. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on the size of the file and the speed of your connection. Once the process is complete, your new PDF file will download to your device. After the download finishes, you can open the file from your Downloads folder or from your browser's recent downloads list to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully converted a photo or document into a PDF right from your mobile phone using Adobe Acrobat online.